What's going on, guys? It's Saturday on call, and we have an AC down, and I can hear the contactor. It's buzzing, and you can see it's pulled in. So check here, check the contactor first, see if we have voltage going through it. And I noticed this. It's nice to see. The installers actually pulled it down to 500 microns. Looks like they had a 20-degree superheat. So that's rare that you find that. Alright, let's check for, make sure we got 240 coming in here. Looks like we don't have 240 volts coming in. Alright, I went inside, the breaker was tripped, so let's see here. Now we got 240. So we got 240 going through the contactor. Alright, I pulled everything off the cap, all the wires there, checked out the cap, it's good. Everything's in range. Don't know why the breaker tripped. But fired up, ran fine. So I'm just gonna turn it back on and let it run, check the pressures and see what happens here, see if it trips again or... Alright guys, I went to put the cover back on. And I had it running. I had a loud popping sound and tripped the breaker inside. So I wanted to check all the wiring, everything out here seemed alright. Checked everything inside, and then I noticed right down here, to see where it's black, and you can see it out here too. So one of the wires rubbed there. Whenever I put the cover on, the wire's pushed in and pop. But I don't see any visible marks on the wiring. So I'm going to cut this zip tie off here and check all these wires real good, see where I can find a bare spot that touch some metal and pop the breaker. Alright guys, cut the zip tie off the outside here. Couldn't find anything wrong with the wiring out here. And side cover here, black wire. Right there's our issue. Got a little mark on the red one there too. Little flash mark right there on the yellow wire, start wire. But that's our issue. So, gonna get that fixed up here. Get it back up and running. Alright, we got our wires zip tied back together out here. And we made the repairs on the inside. I just put some tape over the black wire, and then the red one, I just cut it, put a little butt connector on there and taped it up. I don't have any heat shrink. But then down here where it rubbed, I put a couple layers of electrical tape over there, filed it down a little bit and taped it up just so it doesn't happen again. You can see it overlap on the inside here as well, right here. Now it's not sharp. So I'm going to set the top back on, bolt it down and fire it up. Alright, got the cover on, it's all back together. Got it calling for cooling on the inside. Now I'm getting ready to put the disconnect back in. Alright, well, let it run for a few minutes, stabilize, check my temperature and pressures, and we should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.